Right? Oh my gosh, I'm cringing, guys. I am getting 10-year-old vibes. Guys, this is not looking cute. I really need the sun to come out. I'm sweating. There's sweat on my forehead. Lovely. Hi everyone, it's Eden-Olivia. I hope you're well. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating Yara Shahidi's Instagram photos. I can't wait. Please ignore how creased this top is. I did iron it. Obviously didn't work, as we can see here. But anyway, we move. Yeah, I've been a fan of Yara's for a while. I feel like the first film I saw her in was Imagine That with Eddie Murphy, bless her. Obviously now she's in Grownish. She's an activist. She goes to Harvard. Michelle Obama wrote her a recommendation letter. Imagine being that smart and having those kind of connections. Can't relate. I love her Instagram. Sometimes she'll post like glam pictures and then sometimes she'll just post pictures with like no makeup on. And I appreciate a real queen. So yeah, I thought that I would recreate some of her pictures. And speaking of no makeup, as you can see, I don't have any makeup on because I'm preparing for the first picture I'm gonna take. So the first picture I'm gonna be taking is a no makeup selfie. So I've took my hair out, a bit like Yara's. And I don't have like a grey cardigan, so I'm just gonna have this hoodie thing kind of over my shoulders a bit, like hers are. I'm putting some lip gloss as well. And I've got these glasses. That's what we're working with. Right, let's do this. I'm sweating. There's sweat on my forehead. Lovely. I look crazy, okay. I want to do a few about the ring because it's really ruining it. Okay, I'm done with that. It's been about 5 minutes and I'm still sweating. Okay, now for the next picture. Okay, so I'm outside in the garden. The sun is out, praise God. Just waiting for my mum to come down to take the picture and do up the back of my top because it's one of those buttoned at the back tops. So yeah, I feel like this outfit is probably one of the best I've done. Well, this is the second outfit, but you know. So we've got the white top. Oh, this camera's all over the gaff. Let me try and go back a bit. Snake print shorts in my Pretty Little Thing haul. Make sure you check that out.
Oh no, your collar's not it out properly on your top.
Oh, it's fine.
It's kind of not, but...
Yeah, let's do a couple more. Okay, the collar wasn't out, but we're back. Hopefully we've got it.
Your face looks like it looks when you took your hair out, so I'm taking it we ain't got it.
No.
Can I do some portrait ones?
Yeah, please. Do you know what? I'll have to use one of them, thank you.
Sure?
I'm done, yeah. I feel like we've got a few. Also, the sun's gone. Lovely. So yeah, now we are gonna move on to our next picture. Okay guys, so I'm in the kitchen. I'm ready to take my next selfie. This is where she has like the pink wig on. Right? Yeah, is it? Oh, I'm trying to... Sorry, what a look. Right, let's do this. How is she again? I'm cringing. I'm gonna have to put the timer on this phone. How is she? Oh gosh, I look crazy. How is she? I can't. Interesting. Right, maybe try this side. Let's just do this. That's not cute. Guys, this is not looking cute. Maybe I should straighten the wig a bit. Right. Okay, so the wig is kind of straight. I love how effortlessly she's doing this, and this is taking me ages. Love it. I literally look crazy. Right, one more and then I'm done. I'm done. Okay, so now for my next one. Obviously she's wearing a kind of black and white. I feel like her top's got red and blue on it, but I don't have that kind of shirt. I'm getting waiter vibes. Okay, so the purple eyeliner is on. I'm now gonna put my hair in bunches. I am getting 10-year-old vibes. I think the pink blush It's like, you know, when you're younger and you're trying to do your makeup. So, hairs in bunches. I don't have red cut eye sunglasses. I don't even know whose sunglasses these are. Do you know whose sunglasses these are, Mum?
Yeah, 3D ones, aren't they?
Just asked my mum, she said they're 3D glasses for the cinema, so mood, to be honest. Okay, camera change. Right, we're ready. So, I'm just looking to the side. Okay. You can't even see my eyeliner. Lovely. Right, let's get the self-timer on. I'm cringing. I'm not liking these pictures. Okay, again. I've run and got another pair of sunglasses because those 3D glasses, that ain't it. It's just not working. So I'm gonna try these ones. I mean, they're complete different shape, but I feel like hopefully they'll help because this isn't working. Right, we go again. Okay, I'm gonna quit with this one. I'm giving up. Next picture. Back. Obviously my hair is not as long as hers is in the picture. But that's not gonna stop me from trying. Okay, so I have this blue fur coat on. I got from, who cares? I'm gonna go get my mum's phone and then start taking the pictures and hopefully we get this one very quickly. Oh my gosh, I'm cringing, guys. I'm sweating. Lovely. That's literally a theme in all my videos, just me sweating. Okay, I'm back. Had to comb my hair out. We'll comb it for a start, actually. I haven't actually combed it today, not gonna lie. But yeah, I've combed it out. I'm doing a middle parting because I know that she has a side one, but that look isn't doing it for me. So we are gonna go again. Can you see the sweat on my forehead? No, you can't, but it's there. Right, let's do this. It's really not that deep. I don't know why I'm stressing about it. Guys, I don't look anything like her. We're gonna take a few more. I'm done. I'm done. Okay. Proud of us. We did this. We got here. Ooh, okay, so now we are going to move on to the next one and the sun's come out. Okay, so I need to hurry up. Right, we're going to move on to the next one right now. Okay, kind of wish that I took this picture before the last one because my curls were more defined, whereas now they're kind of not as defined. But it's fine. We're still going to make this picture work. Earrings. Right, we're not having hoops. So she's wearing like earrings that kind of hang down, but I'm going to be putting back in these feather earrings. She looks like she's wearing like a little jacket kind of thing. So I'm going to be using this blue jumper and I'm just going to be kind of tying it like that. Okay, this does not look good, but we're gonna try and make it work. Okay, so the sun is not doing what I needed to do right now. Love that. But I'm gonna be practicing anyway, so that when it shines, I'm ready for the pose. So yeah, let's do this. I really need the sun to come out. Now we just wait. Okay, I'm just gonna have to end it there because it's like...
Never call it quits.
It's literally the evening, so I feel like the sun isn't gonna come back out. Lovely. But it's fine. We've got a few pictures. I'm sure we can like brighten it, adjust the contrast and all that on Instagram, and hopefully it will give us the vibe we're hoping for. Okay, now on to the next picture. So yeah, I'm in the garden. Obviously in Yara's picture, she's in like, well, she's got like a door behind her that's like brownie. I don't have one of those doors in my house. So I thought, you know what, a bit of brick. Okay, that will kind of do the same job. So yeah, I'm wearing this denim jumpsuit. I'm gonna get my mum and we're gonna go take some pictures and hopefully this one will be good because as I'm thinking back to the day, I can't think of one picture that I'm like, oh my gosh, yes. So that's a lovely feeling. And don't mind my chip nails. They didn't last long, did they? Lovely. Right, anyway, let's get ready to take some pictures. Right, I'm gonna set you guys up. Yeah, that will do. like that we're done, guys. Okay, so there is another picture I wanted to take, but I have to actually leave my house for it. And I need someone else to take the picture for me. And everyone's just really not feeling it. Lovely. So I might do it, I don't know if to do it tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. So one picture, my last picture will be, I mean, it'll be in a few seconds for you, but for me, it'll be tomorrow morning. So on to the next picture. Okay, guys, so it's the next day and the sun has come out, praise God. So me and my brother, I've managed to get him to help me, thank God. He is going to help me, so we're going to go and take the picture. Okay, so it is the day after yesterday when I took the last picture outside. So yeah, now it's finally time to rate these pictures. And we're going to start with the no makeup picture. This picture was interesting. I feel like, I mean, I do feel like it does look very similar to it. However, I mean, obviously I'm not her, but I feel like the pose and stuff. But I feel like it would have been much better if I had a gold ring, because it's really bothering me that it's the silver ring with the gold earrings and the gold bracelet. Lovely. But you know what? There is one that I feel like we may do with what we could do. So do you know what? I'm going to say that is a pass. Obviously, also the glasses are not the same as hers, but I don't have those glasses, so I tried. That's all we can say. Okay, so second we had, okay, so this one was obviously hard. Even though she didn't post a picture, she posted a video. I just really liked the outfit, and when I saw it on Instagram, I thought, I've kind of got this, I've got this outfit too. So I gave it a go, and yeah, I tried. Obviously the shoes, again, not gold, but I tried. This one, is it similar? I feel like I should have been more moody, like with my pose. Also the wind, literally in my hair. The hair's literally in my face. Yeah, is it similar? Kind of. Also, if my top, even though obviously it was ruffled at the neck, if the sleeves were like bat wing sleeves, then it would have been better. But again, I tried to do what I could with what I had. So I'm still going to give myself a pass. Am I being too nice on myself? Probably, but you know what? I tried. Okay, next we had, the pink wig. I thought this one would be so much easier because it was a selfie, like I could just take it myself, but this, if anything, was harder. Yeah, I don't know how, her pose is just so kind of simple. It was like she wasn't even trying, and with me, yeah. That one I think took me the longest, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it was so hard. Did I do it? I don't think I did. Obviously, one, the wigs, mine's like a platinum pink, hers is more like a violet, not violet, but like a pale baby pink. So obviously that wasn't the exact same. The lipstick wasn't the exact same shade, but do you know what? I made do with what I could. I think I should have worn mascara, because obviously it's like I don't even have eyelashes. Do you know what? One of them I will say, I'm gonna give it a pass. I'm just gonna pass all of them, didn't I tried. Yeah, I'm gonna give my, do you know what? I tried. A for effort. Okay, then we had, oh no. This one was a foul without me even looking at the pictures. I just know it was. I don't know why this one was hard, because one, I didn't even have cat eye sunglasses. I was using 3D glasses. I really thought I was doing a thing there. Was not. This one was a total foul. She just makes it look so effortless, and mine just was not. I mean, the hair, yeah. The shirt, yeah. The pose, no. I'm cringing. I'm cringing. And then obviously later I tried with the bigger sunglasses and it just still wasn't working. So yeah, that one is a hard foul. Okay, then we had, cringing. This one was probably the most cringe one I had to do. Once again, I think a foul. I think because my hair wasn't as big as and as long as hers, that kind of really ruined the picture for me. But then I did, you know, comb out my hair, and that helped give a bit more volume. Yeah, no, I'm gonna foul myself on that one as well. It didn't work, so that's another foul. Looks like I'm not passing all of them after all. Also, I have to say with that one, I did try with like the blue. Obviously it wasn't the same colour blue, but same shade of blue, but I tried. So not A for effort, I'll say B for effort, still foul. Next, oh my gosh, this one definitely took the longest, because this one took the longest as in without me actually posing, just me kind of waiting for the sun to shine, and it didn't. But I tried. Pass, foul. I'm gonna pass. Yeah, I'm gonna pass. Obviously I didn't have the exact earrings, but I made do with what I could do, and yeah, I tried. So yeah, I'm gonna give myself a pass. This one, oh, I feel like Tracy Beaker, I'm not gonna lie. This one was, do you know what? I'm gonna give it a pass because I feel like I did recreate it, like the pose, the outfit, but I did not enjoy taking this picture and I would not post this picture on Instagram. But I'm gonna give myself a pass for that one. A for effort again. This one, I'm gonna pass purely because I left my house for this. Usually this road has loads of cars down it. Of course, the one day I need all the cars to be down there, half of them weren't. So I mean, that obviously ruined it. Also, I wasn't in Paris, so that was kind of hard to recreate as well. My pose isn't 100% like hers. Like my hand, I feel like her hand's down a bit. Mine was not. But again, I tried with the outfit. Even though I don't have the matching top and the trousers, I did still try. But I'm going to pass myself because I went outside and I felt a bit uncomfortable and people were looking out their windows. Okay, one person was, but still. So yeah, I'm going to give myself a pass with that. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Obviously I passed more than I fouled. I feel like if I tried it again, maybe I'd put more effort in, maybe even order some clothes to really like look the same as her. But anyway, we'll save that for another time. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.